Hello kids! Today we will learn how to blend consonant, vowel, consonant sounds to form words, making reading fun and easy. Are you ready to read some three-letter words with me?
You are watching Phonics Kids.
Okay kids, let's begin.
Yay!
K A Ka N. Once again. K A Ka N. Now let's blend them. Can. Very good kids. Nice blending. Are you ready for the next
Yes,
word?
of course.
Okay kids. Let's try this next word. F A Fa N. Once again. F A Fa N. Now let's blend them. Fan. Amazing kids. How about this next word? P A Pa N. Once again. P A Pa N. Now let's blend them. Pan.
Yay!
You are doing amazing kids. Let's move on the next one. R A Ra N. Once again. R A Ra N. You know what to do kids. Let's blend them. Ran. Great job kids. Let's moving on the next one. M A Ma N. Once again. M A Ma N. Now let's blend them. Man.
Subscribe for more learning and fun. See you in the next videos.